Welcome to the Aliaxis Corporate Research and Innovation Centre, based just outside of Paris. Here, our international team works hard every day identifying new technologies and techniques that may one day be applied to the fluid handling products of the Aliaxis Group.
Well, we really try to look for breakthrough technologies, for new ways of producing pipes, of producing fittings, of connecting the system together.
As a global leader in the manufacturing and distribution of advanced solutions for plastic piping systems, providing people, businesses and organisations around the world with sustainable water and energy, it is important that we lead the industry in such a way that not only meets, but preempts the needs of our customers. This is where our teams come in. Our multidisciplinary engineers and scientists are divided into three primary groups, dedicated to water management technologies, processing and materials, and analytical characterization and failure forensics.
Notre équipe multidisciplinaire supporte le groupe pour être plus qu'un fabricant et un fournisseur de canalisation et de raccords plastiques, mais aussi générateur de nouvelles idées pour offrir à nos utilisateurs des solutions complètes.
The water management is of course a very important factor because most of our applications are related to water. So to understand what is causing bacteria growth, what is causing deposits in the pipe, the flow characteristics, the conditions that are in the system is very essential. It's a fundamental understanding that we try to develop here.
Dans l'équipe Water Management Technologies, notre rôle principal, c'est de développer des produits qui transportent de l'eau, qui la protègent de l'environnement, mais qui protègent également l'utilisateur.
Nous avons tous des compétences différentes et ceci nous permet vraiment de créer des produits qui sont réfléchis et optimisés par différents corps de métier.
And this goes very much in line with the materials that are used to produce the pipe and the fittings, how they interact with the water and the media that are used. And then of course the processing of these materials, how this can be extruded, how it can be injection molded, how it can be formed into the shapes that we want to use later.
Nous, on travaille à partir de matériaux bruts qu'on va mélanger pour obtenir certaines propriétés. Ensuite, ces matériaux vont être transformés, soit par injection, soit par extrusion ou autre process. Et ensuite, ils vont être caractérisés par différentes méthodes pour essayer de se rapprocher au mieux du cahier des charges du produit final. C'est la température, c'est l'exposition au soleil, c'est les produits chimiques qu'il va y avoir à l'extérieur et à l'intérieur, c'est les risques qu'un véhicule passe dessus, véhicule lourd ou non, des risques de choc, les tenues pression, la tenue à la chaleur.
And then we get, of course, a lot of questions from our companies about analytics, where we try to understand what happened with pieces that had failure in the field. Were the conditions out of the normal range, or was it used for something where it wasn't supposed to be used?
Nous déterminons la composition des matières plastiques. En cas de casse, la raison pour laquelle la matière plastique a cassé, et on mesure aussi les performances mécaniques des matières plastiques.
New product development can be a long process, which is why our teams are on constant active technology watch in order to better respond to the needs of Aliaxis clients and to find technical solutions to the needs of our teams around the globe. As well as our three main focus points, our teams contribute to the ongoing development of areas of innovation, additional jointing, anti-contamination, and new pipe technologies.
Donc on a une organisation un peu matricielle dans le sens où on a des équipes techniques qui vont aussi travailler dans différents projets pour alimenter, on va dire, le travail sur les plateformes de technologie, adhesion and jointing, anti-contamination et new pipes technologies.
It's an exciting environment because here we are dealing with early stage development of technology, so we can say almost everything is possible.
And of course, all of this takes place within the framework of Aliaxis' core values, with commitment to care for the safety of our employees and the environment, passion to build new solutions and technologies, and connect to win, which values the importance of the cross-fertilization of ideas and synergies.
Innovation is one of the core focuses of Aliaxis, and we want to be the best.
we are bringing the new or developing the new. This develops, I would say, in between the teams, a very exciting way of working. The people, it's actually very open on this, and they try to exchange together in order to help each other to solve the problems. So we are, I would say, like a small family.
Nous sommes fiers de créer des nouveaux produits, d'utiliser des méthodes d'innovation jeunes et dynamiques qui nous permettent de proposer des produits divers et variés.
Because of this focus on innovation, we will continue to grow and we will invest more and we will develop our competencies to meet this goal.